Hello, Namaste, welcome to another video of FinTrader. My name is Ganga. Today I am going to give a live demonstration of our latest version 8.1, FinTrader 8.1 and the Scanner 1.2, how our software latest version support you in commodity trading. As you know, our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE, cash, future, option, currencies, agri, comex and forex. And in this software we are using only the real-time data. There is no delay in the data, is real-time, tick by tick real-time data. And I've just now I opened copper chart. You can see the current market rate will display here 532. That is the current market rate. You can see whatever chart you are adding the software like MCX, if it is MCX, NSE, forex, comex, the real-time price will be displayed here. Currently the copper rate is 531.90 and you can see there is a green up arrow, that is our buy signal, and red down arrow is our sell signal. Red down arrow is the sell signal and green up arrow is the buy signal. So these are the automatic signals, means whenever this buy sell signals are active, software gives an alert message. In our screen there is an alert message. You can see there's alert message. The alert message will display with the sound effect. It contains the exact entry point. That means if the software generates a buy signal, it contains the alert contains the buy entry, exact buy entry. If it is a sell signal, the alert contains the exact sell entry. If you miss the alert message, by mistake you close the alert message, then the same will display here also. You can see last we got a buy signal and the buy we got at 530.40 and the time is 1:40 and the date is today's date, and as per the current market rate we are in profit of 1.55. and status, you can check the status also. In status you can see target 1 has been achieved. But software gives signals, the automatic signal, but we don't need to enter in all the signals that is given by the software. You have to check the confirmation also. If the confirmation is there, then only we can take the position. For checking the confirmation in our software, there is two parameters. You have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. If those two parameters are confirmed, then only we can take the position. It's very simple. If it is a buy signal, the first and main confirmation you can see on below, it will written like price in buy zone. That is the first and main confirmation. Price should be in buy zone. And the second confirmation, you can see we got a buy signal over here. You can see buy price 530.40 now. That is a second candle's entry point. Actually the arrow we got at this candle, by the entry point, the actual entry point, that is 530. As per this signal, as per this buy signal, you can see we got a buy at a 530.40. that is the next candle. That means the second candle's opening rate. So you have to take the position on the only on the second candle. So before taking the position, you have to check the second confirmation also, that the second confirmation on below the signal, you can see there's a confirmation bar. The confirmation bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the confirmation bar should be in the same color of the signal, that is green color. Only two parameters, very simple. If it is a buy signal, then the price should be in buy zone. On below, price should be in buy zone, and the second confirmation is below, the bar should be in green color. Only two parameters. If these two parameters are confirmed, that means the signal is confirmed. They can enter with the market rate. So once you enter in the market, second you have to follow the stop loss. You have to put the stop loss. On below you can see the stop loss here. That is a trailing stop loss. On the left side of stop loss you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are three targets there. Sorry, there are three targets are there. For example, if you enter in the market, you check the confirmation and the confirmation is there, we enter in the market and we exit with our target. After we exit from the market, if it is market is so trendy market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. That time software gives a re-opportunity, means there is a software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means in this place you can say re-entry suggestion is showing, currently the window is showing wait. Re-entry means software gives a separate entry point and separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that entry point and you can exit with that target. You can see right now the re-entry suggestion is showing wait. If a software gives entry that level, the software displays the entry point and the target. So if you don't want to take the re-entry suggestion, then you have to wait for the next confirm signal. And in this version, actually we are not using the candlestick pattern. we are using the bar chart pattern. Bar chart means normally the bar colors are normal bars colors are red and green. For buys, for bullish market it will be green color, and if it is a bearish market is red color. Apart from these two colors, red and green, there are some other colors will display like orange colors, light blue, empty candles and white candles. Those are the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that market is going sideways. If we use normal candlestick pattern, we can't identify the sideways indication. That's why we are using the bar chart pattern. But if you are preferring only the candlestick pattern, then you can convert it to candlestick pattern also. We are giving a training session for the same, how we can convert it to candlestick pattern, how we can insert any other indicators. We are giving a training, so you will get a training session also. And you can see there is a red stars and the blue stars. Red stars are the resistance levels and the blues are the support level. So you can see the resistance support level over the chart. And I'm going to introduce now our latest scanner, scanner 1.2. This is our scanner 1.2. In this scanner you can add whatever chart you want to add, like a MCX, if it is MCX, that NSE cash, futures, forex, comex, whatever you want to add, you can add it in the scanner. So whatever chart in the scanner you add in the scanner, it automatically scans all those symbols and gives buy sell indication. This is the latest scanner. You can see our latest scanner 1.2 identifies 3 different types of signals for you. 3 different types of signal means it identifies the direct entry. Direct entry means you can see this arrow, that green and red arrow, those are the direct entries. Software first gives a direct entry and the second is gives a re-entry. I already told you about that re-entry suggestion. And third is a very risky one. You can see there is a red and green line in between that bar chart. You can see there is a red and green line. These are the trend lines. Trend line means if it is a green line, that is indicate the uptrend of the market, a red indicating the downtrend of the market. If the market is going to change the trend, rarely that time also the scanner gives buy sell indication. But those types of signal, very risky to follow. So we are not, you don't need to follow those types of signal. Trend line using signals we don't need to follow. That may be very risky one. So whenever software generates a signal, the scanner generates a signal, on right hand side you can see the indication, and the same time software gives an alert message also. But before taking the position, always you have to open the chart. You can directly open the chart from the scanner. You can open the chart from the scanner and you have to check whether the signal is a direct signal or a re-entry signal or a trend based signal. If it is confirmed, then you can take the position, otherwise you have to ignore the signal. And this is very simple to follow, and we are, as I told, we are giving a training session also. So this is the live demonstration of our software. If you want to know more about our software, or if you want a real-time demo of our software, you can directly call me. My name is Ganga and my number is 9061973737. Also you can log into our website www.wintrader.in and www.wintradersoft.com. Thank you for watching my video.